And hello again, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Becky Eats. Today, we will be cooking for you our very delicious and very crunchy vegetable lumpia. Let's get started. The ingredients you will need will be carrots, buggy beans, onions, and garlic. Some bean sprout and a mixture of round cabbage, kimchi cabbage, celery, and bell peppers. Some peeled shrimp, deep fried tofu done diced, and some ground pork. Alright, let's start chopping. First, let's chop the baguio beans. Look how expert they is when it comes to chopping. Chop, chop, Piranha! Then you will Julian Roberts the carrots. Did you guys get it? Julian chopped the carrots. Cut that cabbage in half and then... Alright, okay ba sound effects? I mean, is the sound effect okay? I'd like to give myself a shout out for washing the dishes there in the back. Hi! Alright, advanced level na po ang pag-chop ni Day. Ang bilis-bilis niya ngayon. Go, go, go! Alright, I'm back. I got tired of typing, so let's talk again. We added then some ground pork, which is grounding some more. In goes the shrimp for some redness. Sprinkle some bell pepper. And shook some salt. Let's add in your deep fried and diced tofu, then your carrots, and the baguio beans. Diba? Parang ang feeling namin sa fruit salad. Mukhang fruit salad na naman ito. Give your green mixture a nice bath. Make sure everything is nicely washed from the bottom to the top. Bottom to the top. Then add it to our mixture. Shake it all off until it's all in there. Alright, things are starting to cook up. Look, Day is calling the neighbors again. Clock, clock. Alright, in goes the last ingredient, which is our bean sprout. If you notice, we haven't really put any type of liquid into this mixture because the bean sprout and the celery, they have some water retained in them. So when you let this sit for a little bit, you'll notice that there will be juice on the bottom of this mixture. And we don't want it too juicy because we're not making soup. We're actually making a filling for our lumpia. You'll see later that we'll have to get rid of some of the juices that's on the bottom as well. So yep, just mix. Make sure that all the flavors are all together and marry. Let's have a party. Just keep mixing from the bottom to the top. He stopped mixing for a little bit. Alright, I think he's gonna mix some more here. Yep, he is. So bottom to the top, and then round and round, bottom to the top. You're good? Alright, when you're done cooking, it's time to drain your batch of lumpia filling. It's so hot, so once you place it into the drainer, what is this, the strainer? The drainer. Kind of let it sit there for a couple of minutes until it is warm or cool for you to touch and make the mix. And there I am, making myself useful. Now, I do the most important part of this tutorial. I'm actually gonna wrap the lumpia for you. All you need is one egg. You can break it, whichever. You don't have to break the egg, but yeah. When you're wrapping the lumpia, just make sure that you're forming it into a triangle form, and our portion for today will be 1 tablespoon, or I think that's bigger than a tablespoon, onto each lumpia. So kind of place it a little bit closer to you, not technically halfway, on your lumpia wrapper. Center that, diba? Roll it and then fold from the side and then roll it up to you see just a little small triangle where you can put your sealer, your egg wash, diba? And then there you go. You have a lumpia, left and right all sealed. It's a lumpia. Let's do it one more time. Diamond shape your lumpia wrapper. Grab 1 tablespoon of your lumpia mixture. There you go. Place it a little bit closer to your body again. Play with it, diba? Ang ganda ng mga kamay ko. My hands are so beautiful. Yuck. Roll it, fold it left and right. Roll it again. Did it, did it. Did it, did it. And then wrap it all the way. I hope you all learned that. Diba? Ang expert ko. I am such a pro at this. One last time. Let's triangle shape the lumpia wrapper. Take 1 tablespoon of our mixture. Alright. Make sure everything is in place. Nothing will fall off when you start your rolling. Fold over it. Fold one left and right. Roll it till you see just a small triangle. Egg wash. And seal it with a kiss. There you go. Almost done. Deep fry it and then ta-da! Vegetable lumpia a la day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to me, Becky Eats. See you all again next time.